Ever wondered how to create videos that captivate and impress without any prior experience? With Animoto's drag-and-drop editing tools, you can easily upload your media from your computer or cloud storage. Fill in any gaps with our extensive Getty Images stock library or use the built-in screen recorder. Customize your videos effortlessly by saving your brand's colors, font, and logo for quick application. Add stunning effects, animations, and transitions to make your videos stand out. Collect feedback seamlessly by inviting others to add time-stamped comments directly to your video. Reply and implement feedback right from your video editing workspace, eliminating messy email threads. Share your videos in 1080p or directly from Animoto with integrated social sharing, embedding, and email tools. Empower your team to create, collaborate, and review videos quickly and efficiently from the cloud. Turn your ideas into on-brand videos fast and start creating your first video today with Animoto.